Welcome everyone in HueFin News. Today is April the 16th, 2018, and this is just another example of how powerful language analysis is. We did a video yesterday, April 15th, 2018, and it's the screen. The video that you see here on the right, I'm gonna play it for you all, and I want you to see exactly what occurred today, April 16th, in the market. And this is one of the reasons where consistency and profitability and confidence comes once you understand the language analysis that we have at HueFin News. So take a moment, listen, and let's see what happened. Welcome everyone in HueFin News. Today is April the 15th, 2018, and so I'll just play that little couple of seconds to let you all know that we did do this video yesterday. Now we're going to go ahead and move it to where we talk about Cardano. Lower. Now we're looking at Cardano. Cardano's up 6.5%. Last trade was 2,720 Satoshis. Daily price bar for IOTA. Again, we're still in strength mode. Even with the weakness that we saw here on the 13th of April, we did not get the type of reaction that we wanted to see. So we still notice precursors of strength on the daily price bar. So we told you already from the last couple of trading days that the market for Cardano was still giving us precursors of strength. Still expecting Cardano to continue to move higher. There you go. We just told you that we were still expecting Cardano to move higher in price. But you all can see that 2,800 Satoshis is resistance. So please pay attention to that. 3-hour bars for Cardano. You all can see that we still are noticing strength in the market. 2,750 to 2,800 is resistance, but this is a widespread up bar, which simply means that there was interest in higher prices to move it back up towards resistance. Quick look at the 1-hour bar. Stockpile came in on this particular bar, so expect movement to the downside to even consolidation in the short term. Definitely, if we can't break 2,750, we will continue to move lower. We're going through some stockpile right now. So I told you already from the beginning, if we could not break 2,750, that we will be moving lower. And here you guys can see that this particular bar is where we're talking about right here. And the market tried to break 2,750, but it couldn't. And you guys can see how many hours it took before we tried to break 2,750 again. So we got to wait until we find some support. Support definitely needs to be found around 2,700. Okay, to around 2,720. If we can hold that, then we're expecting Cardano to continue to move higher in price. So we still got 39 minutes on the conclusion of this bar. If it closes lower than its previous bar, then it simply means that sellers were there and the market will continue to move lower. So we're looking to find support around 2,700 Satoshis. We can hold support there. Then Cardano is still reflecting strength in the market. So I told you all that if we can hold 2,700 Satoshis, that Cardano is still giving us more precursors of strength and that we will be expecting them to move higher. But then listen again. Market, and we will be expecting them to continue to move higher. Okay, so we're just waiting on the sidelines until we find support in Cardano. Told you all that 2,700 needs to hold support. If that's not going to hold, then Cardano's going to come all the way back down to 2,650. You heard that, 2,650. If 2,700 wasn't going to hold, I told you all that 2,650 would hold as support. And you all can see how many hours that Cardano held support. 1, 2, 3, 4 hours. Cardano held support at 2,650. And at the conclusion of the 4 hours, you can see the result of what occurred in the market. We made a substantial move all the way up to 3,150. And that is one of the purposes of why we're here on this particular space, to show you all that you do not need to have lagging indicators on your chart in order to become more profitable. This is something that we do consistently here on HueFin News. Okay, so if you're not a member of ours on our Patreon page, you need to come and become a member for less than 10 cents a day, $3 a month. You all will have access to our analysis, to where we consistently hit our price targets and as well price predictions along with telling you all where we expect the market to go. Okay, so it's beneficial for you all who do not understand charting to come and become a member of ours, because we do give you this type of analysis, and you guys can possibly profit from the analysis that we do on a daily basis. So we look forward to you all there. This just goes to show you all that you don't need to be complicated, eliminate the confusion, and you can still become more understanding of what's going on in the market, and as well, more confident. So we'll love to see you all there. We look forward to seeing you all there, because we're trying to help as many people as we can to understand charting and language analysis. So I'll talk to you all then, and I'll see you all later.